Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, Akhtar plans to cover a rectangular floor of dimensions 9.5 meter and 11.5 meter using tiles. Two types of square shaped tiles are available in the market. A tile with side 1 meter costs Rs 100 and a tile with side 0.5 meter costs Rs 30. The tiles can be cut if required. What will be the minimum cost of covering the entire floor with tiles? Now, area of tile with side 1 meter is equal to 1 meter squared, and area of tile with side 0.5 meter is 0.5 squared meter squared, that is 0.25 meter squared. Now, the area of floor is equal to 9.5 into 11.5, and this is 109.25 meter squared. So cost of covering with 1 meter tiles is equal to, since the area is 109.25 meter squared, you would be needing 109.25 square tiles with side 1 meter. So, and the cost of one tile is 100. So this equals 10925. That is 10930, just for the sake of approximation. And cost of covering with half meter tiles is equal to 109.25 by 0.25 into 30. These are the number of tiles you'll need, and the cost per tile is 30. So using this we get 13110. Therefore the minimum cost is 10930. That is option A. The next question is, Rani bought more apples than oranges. She sells apples at Rs 23 per piece and makes 15% profit. She sells oranges at Rs 10 per piece and makes 25% profit. If she gets Rs 653 after selling all the apples and oranges, find her profit percentage. Now let the number of apples be X and number of oranges be Y. Then SP of one apple is 23. Therefore SP of X apples is equal to 23x, and profit is equal to 23x minus CP. Therefore profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100, and therefore 15 is equal to 23x minus CP by CP into 100. From here, on solving this, we'll get CP is equal to 20x. Again, similarly doing our calculations for orange, SP of Y oranges is equal to 10y. profit percentage is 25. So 25 is equal to profit, that is 10y minus Cp by Cp into 100, and on solving this we get Cp is equal to 8y. Now according to the question, 23x plus 10y is equal to 653. By hit and trial, we get x to be equal to 21 and y to be equal to 17. Therefore, total Cp is equal to 20x plus 8y for 20 into 21 plus 8 into 17. This comes out to be 556. Thus, profit percentage is equal to 653 minus 556 by 556 into 100, and this comes out to be 17.44%. So the correct option is option B.